Hello everyone! Today I will be showing you how to upload a public YouTube video starting from YouTube's home screen. These steps work best if you already have a saved MP4 video file downloaded onto your desktop that you wish to upload. You also want to make sure that you have a previously created YouTube account that you want to upload on. First, get started by logging into your YouTube account. Then, click the camera icon in the top right corner of your screen. Select Upload Video from the drop-down menu. You will then get directed to a screen that gives you the option on how to list your video. It should already be preset to public, but if not, make sure by clicking the drop-down menu that public is selected. Once that is affirmed, click the large arrow icon in the screen center. Your File Explorer should then automatically open on your screen. Next, find your appropriate file that you wish to upload. Click Upload. Then, if you wish to rename the video, type your desired title into the top bar under Basic Info. Once that is completed, feel free to add a small description of your video in the box below. Also, if you want to add any searchable tags to your video, type them into the tags box and hit enter once you are done. Once all the required boxes are filled in, click your desired thumbnail at the bottom of the screen. You will have the option to choose a thumbnail out of 3 images. A thumbnail is the image that will represent your video on YouTube when viewers go to watch it. Finally, click Publish in the upper right-hand corner. Your video is now uploaded publicly to YouTube. Thank you!